Hello everyone, welcome back to the Techlog YouTube channel. Today for this video of Techlog, I will be showing you how you can change your ease in Discord. So for that, what you need to do is open the Discord application first thing. And if you try going to the setting for you to change your ease, you will find that you do not have that option. As for some security reason, you cannot change your age or birth date on your Discord once you have created or set your date. If you really want to change the date of birth, you have the option to create a new one, but you cannot change it within the account that you have created. You might be able to do that by submitting a request to change your age and birth date. So I'll show you how you can submit a request to change your age, but there is no guarantee that this might work or not. Hence, the only option that you have left will be to create a new account with the correct date of birth. So to submit a request, what you need to do is tap upon profile. Then on the profile you scroll down, then you need to click on support. Tap that. This will open the Discord support piece in Google Chrome. Now to log in, you provide your login details first. And then get logged in. Now this will get you logged in into the account. Now once you're logged in, what you need to do is you will have the option of what can we help you with. You tap that drop down menu, and from there you need to choose the option trust and safety. You tap that, which will give you furthermore option to choose how can we help. You tap on the drop down menu. From there you need to choose the option appeal, ease, update, other question. Tap that. Now once that is done, you will have the further appeal, ease, update or other question. Tap on the drop down menu, and here you will need to choose the option update my age information. Tap that. Then you need to provide the phone number for your account. This is optional, so you can either provide it and you can leave it as it is. Your date of birth. Now you provide your date of birth. Make sure that you type in the correct date of birth over here. Please confirm that you have attached the required material. So for you to change your account, you need few documents for this process to work. To complete this process, you will need an image of you with the government issued ID. That also lists your birthday, as well as a piece of paper with your Discord tag on it. It's also important that all of this information is submitted in a single picture. So you make sure that all this document is present while you do this process. So tap on the checkbox, and below you need to provide the subject over here. The checkbox means that you are confirming that you have a single picture that includes yourself, a government issued ID that also lists your birth date and your Discord tag. Moving forward, you need to enter something over here on the subject like I need to update my age request. You scroll down, you need to move to the description box, and there you need to type in something like the details or what's wrong with the date. I entered the wrong date of birth while creating an account and need to update it. Then you scroll down, you will have this attachment option. You tap add file. Now tap on allow. Now here you need to provide that documents that has been required of you. Everything including your ID, your face and your Discord name should be clear and easy to read. You go to your files and attach that files on here, and then you click on submit. It may take Discord up to few days to get back in touch with you via email about your request application. If the picture is blurry or difficult to read, you might get rejected. So make sure that you have the document clean and clear to understand. This is a way how you can change your age by submitting a request to Discord for the age update, or the only option that is left for you is to create new account with the new date of birth. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Techlog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.